Welcome to iCals Digital Solution YouTube channel. In today's quick tip, we're going to show you how to hide the page number in your document. Let's dive in. It's not as straightforward as you might think, but with a cool trick it will work for you. All you need to do is insert a rectangle shape with no border directly over the page number. Yep, that's right, it's that simple. To do this, first go to the Insert tab in the Word ribbon. From the Shapes drop-down menu, select the rectangle shape. Click and drag to draw a rectangle shape directly over the page number. Make sure it covers the number completely. With the rectangle shape selected, go to the Format tab in the Word ribbon. In the Shape Fill drop-down menu, choose a color that matches to that page. Similarly, in the Shape Outline drop-down menu, choose No Outline to remove the border around the rectangle. And that's it. The rectangle shape effectively hides the page number in your document. Remember to apply this trick at the final stage of your document creation process. Otherwise, if you make further edits to the document, such as adding or removing pages, the rectangle may not stay in place and the page number could reappear. If you found this tip helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech tricks and tutorials, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching.